How to change your name on Gate application using your smartphone. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you're trying to update your profile on Gate application and change your name, then here's how you can do it. First of all, open the Gate app on your device and log into your account. Once you're logged into your Gate account, go ahead and tap on your profile picture at the top left corner from the home screen. Right after you do that, click on your username from the top and then click on the nickname button right under profile. Go ahead and select a new nickname you want to use for your account, including the nickname rules at the bottom. After you do that, click on OK at the top right, and you have successfully changed your nickname in the Gate application. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.